Oh.
Dude.
So we're gonna try and crush a glass Caesar because I mean it's not Sunday, but Caesar Sundays are a thing. So yeah, see. So gorgeous. Again, not even a mark.
Not even a mark, boys.
What are you talking about?
No mark.
Oh yeah, where's the dent, Laura?
Yeah, Laura.
I can see it from here.
Where's the dent? Come on, show us.
Right here.
Where?
That was already
No,
there.
that was already there.
Yes, 100%. What we're gonna try now is the tallies, but the regular anyway. So here we go.
Perfect.
Oh, that sounded sensual.
What do you think? What do you guys think? Hold on. What does the viewers think? Is it crushed or not?
One's crushed and one kind of did a half yeet crush.
All right, let's go. Let's see this. Oh my gosh, none of them.
Well,
I think it's this. I think it's the sleeve boy.
Yeah, there's
nowhere for it to sit.
there's too many slippery boys happening here.
Yeah.
What
not
if
good.
we put one on the rad cap, and then we're gonna slam the hood on it and see what it does.
It needed it.
Well, it coming at the bottom, so I mean that's a good sign.
Did it crush it though?
Kinda.
You know what? To be honest, the 300 Magnum has done a lot better
so we
job.
found the only positive point of an LX chassis is that it could crush cans. Like the Rams are better vehicles and they're better at everything and everything lasts longer. But guess what? An LX will crush your cans.
Fucking science.
Yeah, that's the only plus point on them. They're kind of pieces of shit. But
Yeah.
other than that, they'll crush your cans.